Hi boys and girls. I'm so excited to start our flipped classroom grammar workshop. As we talked about in class today, you will be watching the lessons at home and we will be doing the workbook in class. So this is the workbook you were given today, but you really won't be working in it until tomorrow in class. So we are going to be going out of order. And I want you just to be really responsible about making note of what lesson we're on, and you'll have no problem following along with where we are. So we are actually starting in the very last unit of your grammar workshop book. We are starting on Unit 6, Writing Sentences Correctly. This all covers capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Our very important editing as we talk about. This is Lesson 46, Writing Sentences Correctly. This blue outlined box in every unit is going to be very important that you pay careful attention to. This is the lesson. Every box has something that they want you to learn, and in this lesson we're learning, or reviewing I should say, capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. So as we all know, when you write, we begin every sentence with a capital letter and end every sentence with an end punctuation mark. So they give us a sample sentence here. Have you studied ancient Egypt? That society fascinates me. Those are two separate sentences. So the first sentence needs a capital letter and the second sentence needs a capital letter. You need punctuation at the end, which in this case is a question mark, and a period at the end, which in this case is a period, the punctuation at the end of this sentence. The end punctuation mark you use depends on the kind of sentence you write. So if it's a declarative sentence, it ends with a period. The history of Egypt goes back 5,000 years. You are declaring, you are telling, so it ends with a period. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. You are asking something. How old are the pyramids? Question mark. You always want to end an exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark. What a long history Egypt has. And you end an imperative sentence with a period. A period is when you are demanding someone to do something. Read this book about ancient Egypt. Everyone say hi to little kitty. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to ask you to do some practice going along with lesson 46. On a piece of paper nearby, I want you to write out this sentence. How old is little kitty? And I'm going to remind you, little kitty is her name. So let's try it together. How old is little kitty? Think about it. Are you telling me something or are you asking me something? Well, we know that a sentence begins with a capital letter. And we want to be careful about our spelling as well. Now remember, I told you little kitty is her name, so what do we need? That's right, a capital L. And kitty, a capital K. Now, am I telling or am I asking? What kind of sentence is this? I'm asking and it's an interrogative. Therefore, we need a question mark. Let's try another one. Miss Rubenstein's cat is named Little Kitty. Beginning of a sentence needs a capital letter. Rubenstein. It's an important last name. Needs a capital letter. Miss Rubenstein's, apostrophe S, cat is named, and once again it's her name, Little Kitty. And am I telling you or am I asking you? That's right, I'm telling. So I need a period. That is a declarative sentence. Now we're still talking about Little Kitty, but I'm talking to Little Kitty and I'm saying, come here, Kitty. I'm not calling her by her name, just come here, Kitty. So, come here, Kitty. And it's not capital because that's not her name, not just Kitty. We call her Little Kitty. And because it's and what kind of sentence is this? Think to yourself. It's an imperative sentence, so it needs a period. What if I'm really excited about Little Kitty? And I want to tell you that my cat is the best cat ever. So I'm going to say, I have the best cat ever. I'm going to exclaim it. I have the best cat ever. What do I need at the end? An exclamation. Boys and girls, I promise these videos will get better as we go along. But now that you've had Grammar Workshop, Lesson 46, you'll be ready to do the pages in class tomorrow. So no need to do the pages at home. You'll be doing the pages in class tomorrow. See you soon.